What does a British real estate agent care most about? A property. Hi, I'm Sven, and today I'm going to give you strategies on how to buy and sell at the same time. Buying a home at the same time as you're selling your old home is all about timing. Here are the top 4 strategies to set you up for smooth closings on both of your homes. Number 1, lease-back. This is when you sell your home with the agreement that you can rent the home back from the new owners and keep living in your home. This can give you more time to shop for your new home while still giving you access to the money from your sale. Number 2, you can request to delay the closing date of your new home past the standard 30 to 45 days. This will give you more time to sell your current home and use your home equity to buy your next home. Number 3, a bridge loan. This is a short-term loan that uses the equity from your current home to help you make an offer on a new one without rushing to sell. You pay back the loan once your current home sells. And number 4, new construction. This gives you a completion date on your new home so you can time when you're going to list your home so your closing can line up with the move-in date for your new home. This alleviates the anxiety of where am I going to go to if my home sells? If you need help buying and selling at the same time, my contact information is on the screen. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos every week on local events, real estate tips and tricks, and community highlights. This is Sven Frisell from the Reynolds Team of Compass, wishing you a great day.